Hello everyone and welcome back to the Textile channel. So today we are going to explore one more concept on the AI agents. So this is the one of the WhatsApp AI agent which has built on the n8n application. So right now it's a free version. So here what it's doing, so when you give any prompt to the WhatsApp message, so it will give the output based on the our input response. So we'll try and test this one, and later we'll go on how we can develop this one. We'll see that. So this is my WhatsApp chat. So just chat with that thing. So now I will test the workflow. I will start it. So it will wait for the input response. So when I give it here is input response. Hi, how are you? So it will give this and it will run this. Right now it's running and it got this output response. I'm doing well. How are you doing? Okay, just I will give what was today date. So this is my prompt. So I started this workflow and I will generate. So it will give this today's date. So it will use October 26, 2023, so on so date. So like that we can chat with them. So now how we can do this one. So this is the application which can go, website cloud version. So just n8n, so you can create this application, no problem. So now we'll go back to this here and how we can create the from scratch. So here when you see this plus icon, so click on that plus icon and right side you can see this search notes. So the notes is nothing whether you are using the WhatsApp or something. So right now I'm using this WhatsApp. So here I'm connecting with the WhatsApp business cloud. Just click on that and see here. So these are the triggers which are available. So just I'm clicking this on message. So when I got the message, then only I will respond. So once you click on that and here you can see something out there. So which we need to create this credentials to with connect. So just click on this new credentials. So just click on that. And right now you can see this client ID and client secret. So these two are we are getting from the Meta. So the Meta which is connected to the WhatsApp business backend side. So that's why Facebook is related. Meta is related to the Facebook. So everything are connected to that world. So we go to Meta business site is there. So we need to go and we need to create the WhatsApp business WhatsApp account we need to create. So now I'm going back to this Meta business.facebook.com. So directly it will launch the Meta thing. And once you come here, so we can see these apps are there. So just click on that apps. And after this, we can see this ad. So already I have created n8n. So this is one I'm doing for demo. So now I will go and create a new app. So just click on this ad. And after this, we can see this one, create an app ID. Just click on that. So it will navigate to another window. So here we need to add this, what is the app name? So AI agent, just I'm giving this AI agent and click on that next. And right now we can see this add use case, don't select this anything. So directly go to this others and you can click on that next icon. So later you can see this business are there. So just click on that business and click on that next. And right now we can see this app name, everything got filled and just click on the create app. So once you click on the create app, it will go to the another page. So then we can able to see that what is our app right now. So let it load. So it will take some time. And once it came now, so we need to click on that setup. So here we can see this one setup is it. So just click on that setup. So before, if you want to check whether you got apps or not, so this is the app application. I will open in another window. So right now you don't know how many apps are there. We need to see those apps now. Just go to there and click on this app settings and basics. So you can see this how many this is okay. Here you can see the app ID and secret. Okay, that's fine, no problem. So we'll go back to it. So if you want to see how many apps are there, so you can just click on that apps and you can see this how many apps are available currently in your project. So right now I have the two apps are there, n8n and AI agents. So this is what I want to say. I got in some other page. So now go back to this n8 application and here this client ID is here. Just copy. This is the my client ID is nothing but as a app application ID. So just copy and paste it. And downside you can see the client secret. So just show that and copy this client secret. If you want, you can reset that post after using. So just click on the client secret and click on that save. So once you click on that save, so you can see this connection tested successfully. Sometimes what happen now, it won't connect properly. So you need to try 3 to 4 times, later it will connect. So now connection has been established. I don't want to do anything. So now this is completed. So if you want, you can test, but it won't give any results right now. Okay, this is done. So next, what we want to, I want to replay that message. So just click on that WhatsApp Business Cloud, and we can see this multiple are there. Right now we are working with this send message. So once you click on the send message, here also we need to give this access token. So just click on the new credentials, and you can see this access token. So this access token we are getting from here. So where is access token? So just click on this WhatsApp setup. So here I open 3 to 4 things, and we can see the, under the apps you can see the WhatsApp quick start. So just go there and check the API setup. So just click on this API, start using API, or you can API setup, both are fine. So now I click on the start using API setup. So it came to directly API setup. And here we can see this numbers are there. So you need to add this number. So this is one of my random number, just for testing purpose I have used. And click on this generate token. So just click on that generate token. So it will ask the something is there. So just click on that continue. And here you need to select all accounts which is related to that WhatsApp account, and just click on that continue and save. So later you can able to see this one code will come. Just click on that OK, and copy this code. And after this you can see this one tools are there. Under this tools we need to go to access token debugger. Just click on that access token debugger and update the code here. Just click on that debug, and here we can see this multiple stuff. And here what it's asking, so it's asking the access token. So let me go back. So when I see this one, this code expires after some time. If you want a long time, then extend access token. Click on that. Okay, it's asking password. Just enter, update your password, and you can just copy this data. So once you copy this data, then go back to here and update on the access token. So if you want, you can change multiple times. That's not an issue. So that's why this code, if you see, also not a problem. So I can change later. So now again, go back to here, and it asks the business app ID. So that business ID, you can see this downside. Where is this? Okay, here you can see this business ID is nothing but this ID. Just copy that and paste it. Okay, now click on that save. So the connection has been tested successfully. Again, we need to check every time. So connection has been established or not. So now go back to here, and here we can see these numbers. So we need to add this number. So it got one expression, phone number or ID. Go back to here again. Where is this? Okay, just copy this phone number or ID. Copy that and update here. So another number, which number you given here now? So the same number you need to add this one as of now. So the same number I'm adding there. Okay, this is done. And here the my text bar. What is my reply? Just I mentioned as of now hello. Okay, just click on the test. So just check so whether it is connection has been established or not. So right now the connection has been established. There is nothing to worry. So just click on that save and go back to this WhatsApp, and already I saved that number. So right now you can see this one. Hello, we got that. So now I'm just running this one. Let me trigger, and I will just put the message hi, and it will give the hello because here I given the hello. If I change this, how are you, for example. So I change. Okay, again I need to test this one. Okay, it got successful. So now I started again. So I mentioned if I say hi, it will give this how are you. So when I test how many times it will test, it will give this those many times response. So now this part is done. So if you want to add this to model, so right now this is a normal thing. So if you want to add like a AI, so what you are doing, just go to here and you can type AI model. So we can see this ChatGPT model is here. Okay, just I put that. So I take this base model, and rest of thing I don't want required here because I don't have OpenAI model APS. It got costly. So now I will just add this one. So go to here, and here I'm using this. I mean, we need this define below. Just click on that. Okay, here we need to set up that account. So just double click and connect to chart. That's fine. So here we need to just go back one step and add the model. So here I'm using this Google Chart Gemini. So just I added here and I want to set up these credentials. So this is the one by default the UPI is available. So now just go back to this what's this? Okay. So just go to aistudio.google.com slash API keys. So from this here we can say already I have generated. So start billing if you want you do. So as of now I don't want to. So just create a create API key. Just click on that and Gemini API. I just check that and create API in existing project. So if you want, you can create multiple things. So as of now, I created another one. Just copy this API key and paste it here. And this is fine. So by default, it will come, no issues. So just keep that and click on that save. So now again, connection has been tested successfully and go back to this. And if you want, you can change this multiple models are there. So as of now I will go with 1.5 flash sync. So just click on that back and after this you can just connected these two. Okay, now everything has done. So here what do we need to do? So we need to WhatsApp trigger node, this is fine. So JSON chart input, this is fine. Now go to here. Okay, we'll just run what it will see. So I think it will throw error because still we not give full-fledged conditions. So it will throw the error. Yeah. So now stop this workflow. Just click on that. So here we need to give the as body. Just update here. Remove that everything. Define below. Just update this as the body. So this body nothing but as a which we are giving the input from our WhatsApp. So just click on that back and save it. It still got error means you can just click on the test app. So then the error it got it got disabled that error and you can see the right side. So this is the output logs. Hi, hello, how are you? It just generated a sample prompt with that. And after this, so this is not required. So already it has done. And this is my final thing. So just to go back. Okay. Why it got came like this? Let me put this. Okay, and here my message is and remove this and put this one. So how you are getting means on the top side you can see schema table JSON. So this is a JSON. I just pass it here. That's it. So everything got fixed. Now I will go and run this model. So I will give this input. Hi, how are you? So what was the temperature today? So just we'll see. It got triggered and it can't see this one. I am doing well. I didn't experience temperature so that I cannot tell expression. So what was that information to texture report? So I need to give something different so then it might be work. So this is the way how we can build this one. And here one more thing is we have the memorize is there. So if you want you can add that memorize as well. So you can just drag and drop and add that memorize as well. So this is the way how we can create this AI agents with your this is the way how you can create. So if you want more thing, if you want active this one, as of now this is inactivate. If right now I'm not sure whether it will activate or not. I think it will. Yeah. Okay, now got it. Okay, now it got it. So now we'll see. So if I send message, automatically it will trigger or not, we'll see. Okay, right now it got activated. Basically it should run. Okay, yeah, it got activated. So no issues. So we can activate that automatically. It will trigger that. So now it got. How can I help you? So what is your agenda? Yeah. So just I'm just chatting with that chatbot. So my agenda is assisted to you, my request. I don't have any personal goals or investment. So like this, we can chat. So just now I put it that as activate. So in this page overview page, we can see this what is the what type of task workflow we have added, whether it will activated or not activated. So you can activate. Right now it got activated, so that's why I don't want to trigger any time. So if someone misses, automatically it will got triggered that one. So this is a way you can create that AI agents. And just you can say this is a personal AI agents. So based on your things, we can build multiple different kind of AI agents. So still, if you have any doubts, post a comment on the comment section. So I will try to explore on that.